classic oatmeal. Einstein Bros bagel, French toast.
Yeah, right.
What that say? No, they not. No, they do. What that say?
Who's this?
Am I lying?
No, you're not.
I'm not lying.
Don't say the name. Okay.
No, I got another one. Every time I look at her meals, I just be laughing at her. Yesterday, Starbucks classic oatmeal.
At least you can sit some
Hawaiian sweet rolls. Hawaiian sweet rolls. Hawaiian sweet roll for lunch. No, this is just
That's a shame.
Hawaiian sweet roll.
At least you consistent.
The screenshot. Slim Jim. It's her snack. It's her snack. Slim Jim. Mott cinnamon applesauce.
At least you
Cheese crackers. And cheese crackers.
She tracking it, she eating like
You need to
this. You
screenshot
might as
that.
well just
Don't put that shit on there.
This is what I'm saying, and then everybody be saying I'm so mean. No.
Nah, this gotta be. That's what it is.
And Delta and life and everything.
She didn't track Friday. All right, oh, here we go.
Can you check Friday? Eating money. This shit's out of here.
March 9th.
It's out of here, folks.
17 days. She's
It's
out.
out of here.
Now look, Wawa grocery strawberry lemonade, one bottle.
And one day.
Thursday.
I just tried to 300
Last
times.
Thursday.
But listen, would you rather them track it and be honest or lie about it?
So the takeaway is people think that you can, as long as you stay within a calorie deficit, that you can eat whatever you want, and as long as you're tracking it, it's good. That's not the case. You gotta eat. What you eat is what you look like. It's not just based off of calories. Sometimes it may help.
This is a week. Last Wednesday.
It may help.
Last Wednesday. Lay's potato chips, sour cream and onion. One bag. It's a snack. Snap. She threw 2 hard-boiled eggs in there, and niggas baby. Slim Jim. Oreo cookie, 1 pack. Protein drink, and Cheez-Its.
Where's the food?
The person that he's talking about hasn't lost a pound.
That's why I say like
hasn't gained no weight.
No, she gained.
She gained.
She gained.
Tell her she gained.
She
I
gained.
bet though.
This had Larry say to me, she said, I don't know what y'all still wrong.
Yeah, she was saying the scale didn't say. There's another one, the scale didn't say that yesterday.
Yup.
That's the hell it is.
Maybe she forgot she didn't. She thinking she eating stuff.
That's how they do.
One day she told me, I'm telling you, she has a crazy. Because I told her I didn't look at it. I was like, she does.
Okay, so we're about halfway through the challenge. Goals still aren't met. Just gotta keep pushing through. So it is what it is. My additional work that I'm gonna be doing, be a lot more resistance bands, whether it be running with it, doing additional chest exercises. I'm not a big fan of doing 2-a-days when it comes down to with weights. So we just got done weights. So right now what I'm gonna do is a lot of stability, resistance movements, nothing that will take my muscles over the top to the point that I feel like I got a strain, anything of that nature. I have a problem typically here, which I always strain or pull around this area. My pecs between here, through my shoulder blade, all the way down to my chest muscle. I typically have an issue with that. But at the same time, I still have goals. So without having to completely stop, or without doing too much and trying to figure out when to stop, I always rely on resistance bands. And they usually do the job. We'll see, let's get it. First exercise, doing additional flies, right here with the bands, attached to the outside. Here, squeezing. Second exercise, pressing straight out, over top. Notice my hands are as if it was a close grip bench. Pressing straight out, squeezing. Third, reverse grip, similar to the second movement, pressing straight out, elbows up, going straight through, squeeze my chest at the top. So, I'm about to do 2 more sets. Like I said before, kind of trying to cheat the system with the way that I'm tracking my body fat. I'm here, and right here. So I'm going to do a lot of exercises to target and focus on those areas. Not focusing on my legs today. I'll do that tomorrow. We'll get into that if I decide to record. Let's do that one more time. Right here. A little cardio work, a little extra cardio work. Right here. Similar to what we did. We'll keep it real simple. Sets of 10. Like I say, y'all familiar that follow. Y'all know how our classes get. We do the stations. I don't know y'all I'm not doing that. I want to focus on 2 specific areas. Right here and my chest. So right here and chest. So I'm keeping it simple. Climbers, right to a push-up, 10 of them. 6 and 1, 6 climbers, 1 push-up. Notice on the climbers, I'm driving my knee all the way up to my chest. Let's get it. Same thing, try 2 more of those. Get it working, then finish with abs, be done after that. That's it for the sake of time. Just knock 1 more out for right now, finish later. Again. So here, ready? My knees and chest, have resistance the whole time. Keep in mind, these are resistance bands. They work as hard as you work them. I'm trying to keep resistance in my hands as well as here for my abdominal area. My side bands are doing the exact same thing for my lower abs. Keeping the band tight here. Control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to a 6 press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep tensioning the band the whole time. Oh, 1 more. Felt that more in my chest. Just keeping the tension here and trying to press straight out. Feels like a version of a weight, a resistance pulling. Has the same effect as a weight, as if I was pushing, except for the resistance stays there. If you notice, say bench press for say, when you bench, you can control it on the way down, but you typically kind of let it free fall and let it drop to your chest. With bands, you can't do that. Typically come down, control, come up so it's resistance the entire time. That's all for today. What did you say, Trey?
I said I did end up losing 4 pounds, so I guess the snacks do matter. It's not just how many calories they are, and oh how I wanted you to be wrong so bad. Oh, I wanted you to be wrong. But I did end up losing 4 pounds.
Good. Molly, keep doing it now.